On today's tech review we have this bad boy right here. It's a wireless microphone kit from Movo, and really cool thing is that is less than $100. So let's start. Hey guys, it's Nemanja and welcome to another really fun tech review episode. As I already said, today we have this really cool wireless microphone kit from Movo, and let me first show you what comes in the box. So inside that box we have this really cool hard case and some birds flying around, and this is really cool for carrying your microphones with you in a bag or wherever you want it. And inside this we have basically two microphones, two units. Both are exactly the same in the dimensions, form factor, everything is exactly the same. Only difference is one is transmitter, another is receiver. And here the transmitter has two connectors right here. One is for microphone and another is for line in. Line in is really good addition here because you can use those microphones not just to record your voice with your camera, but you can use your mobile phone, or you can use your laptop or a tablet to wirelessly record the sound or whatever you want to film it. And another is, as I already said, receiver. Receiver has a headphone jack so you can monitor your sound, and also has a line in so you can put the signal from here to your camera or wherever you want. So that's really cool. You have some cables and additional mount for the tripod or your camera actually, so you can mount these microphones easily on the camera. Also both units has this clamp so you can easily mount it on your jacket or wrist, wherever you want, and all the cables needed for operation of these mics. So now I will switch. I'm now currently using Rode microphone for on-camera microphone for this video, and now we will switch to these wireless microphones so you can hear the sound quality, which is most important here. Right guys, we just switched the mics and now you can hear the sound from the Movo wireless microphone kit. Now you will be the judge. Let me know down there in the comments how do you like the sound from these units. Also consider that we are outside so you can hear a lot of ambient noise and some other ambient sounds. Also this kit comes with the Lavalier Microphone that comes with a small sponge so it can absorb some kind of winds a little bit. It's not like a dead cat, but it's useful too. And the microphones are really good. The build quality is decent. It's made completely out of the plastic, so it's not like a premium quality plastic, but it's still decent. Both units are using two AAA batteries, and maximum battery life is around 6 hours. Also it's really easy to pair those microphones, so it has a pairing button on the side. You just need to press and hold it for a few seconds, and blue LED light will start blinking, so that means that both microphones are paired and you can just start filming it. The maximum distance between those units is, Movo stated that it's around 60 meters or 200 feet. We will test this in a moment. And the operation frequency of these units is 2.4 gigahertz. Now let's test the maximum distance of these mics. Alright guys, now we will test the maximum distance of these units. And here you can see Dusan. He is my really good friend, an awesome photographer and videographer. You can check his work on the link down there in the description. And let's do it. Let's start and see when the units will stop working. Right guys, so you can probably hear me. I'm around 20 meters now from the camera or so. So we measured this tree is on 30 meters, so let's hear the half distance. So this is around 30 meters, and I hope that you can hear me nice and clear. And now let's continue up to 60 meters, but with my super power flash speed. Alright guys, now this is it, 60 meters, this tree is on 60 meters, so I hope that you can hear me. Dusan, is everything okay? Can you hear me?
Everything is fine, my friend.
Alright, so this is 60 meters, line of the sight, maximum distance that Movo stated, and we will go a little bit further to see when the microphone will stop working. This is around 100 meters, right? 100 meters, Dusan, can you hear me?
The pigs are doing fine, like you are in front of me.
Right now I'm on 150 meters, let's go to 200 meters and that's the end for this test. Right guys, now I'm around 200 meters, it's around 600. This is the end, the first I will. Alright guys, supersonic speed back. I was around 200 meters further away, far away from the camera, so it's crazy. These mics are really good. You can see the distance that we covered, so this is a line of sight. Of course, if you have some walls or something in between, it cannot function so well. And we are back in studio. I just want to show you the sound quality indoors when there is no ambient noise or sound outside from the cars, birds, etc. So this is how the mic sounds inside my studio. You saw when I was outside around 200 meters further away from the camera, which is crazy distance, much more than Movo stated that these two units will communicate between each other. You can still hear my sound, but it was broken because it was really big distance between those two units. But on 60 meters, that is the maximum distance that Movo stated, everything was nice and clear and crisp, no problem at all. But even further away from that, those units can communicate between each other nicely. But 200 meters is crazy distance. Nobody will film something on that big distance. So overall, I'm pretty happy with these wireless microphone kit that is less than $100, and I really recommend this to anyone who will start a YouTube or some interviews or vlogging, whatever. You can see the unit is really small compared to my palm. You can put this in a pocket or on a wrist or wherever you want. And another one is at the top of my camera. So for anyone who wants to start and it's on a budget, this is awesome deal if you want and need a wireless microphone kit. Of course, if you want something more professional and more expensive, you need to invest more money, and then you have some different options there. But for less than $100, this is pretty awesome deal. If you want to find out more about these mics and to purchase them, you can find a link down there in the description. Go and check it out. Also, if you want to ask me something about this review, these mics, actually these units and the mic, just let me know down there in the comment section below. I will be glad to answer it. Have fun guys, experiment, and see you in my next fun video. Bye bye.